Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss a new chapter of science of class 5. The name of the chapter is Animal World. What is the name of the chapter? Animal World. Animals are found nearly all parts of the earth, including air, water, land, trees, etc. Clear? We can see different types of animals around us. Have you ever observed that? These animals live in deep forests, deep oceans, mountains, trees, cold regions and hot deserts, etc. So that area where a particular animal lives is called its habitat. Clear? The area where a particular animal lives is called its habitat. So what do you mean by a habitat? The area where a particular animal lives is called its habitat or natural surroundings of an animal. Clear? Yes. Again, there are two main types of habitats. There are two main types of habitats. First one is terrestrial habitat and second one is aquatic habitat. What is the first one? Terrestrial habitat and second one is aquatic habitat. So, what do you mean by a terrestrial habitat? Terrestrial habitat are the one which found in land. Terrestrial habitats are habitats which found on land. Say for example, desert, polar regions, mountains, deep forest, etc. Now, what do you mean by aquatic habitat? Aquatic habitat are habitat which found in water. Clear? Habitat which found in water are known as aquatic habitat. Say for example, rivers, lakes, oceans, ponds, etc. are examples of aquatic habitat. Now, in order to survive in a particular place, in order to survive in a particular place, animals have different types of body coverings or eating habits, etc. Clear? In order to survive in a particular place, animals have different kinds of body coverings and eating habits, etc. Then, what about these body coverings in animals? These body coverings in animals which include scales, shell, fur, feathers, etc. Let's check each one in details. So what we discussed here, what do you mean by habitat? The area where a particular animal lives is called its habitat or natural surroundings of an animal. And in order to live in a particular place, these animals have different kinds of body coverings, eating habits, etc. Clear? And one more thing, there are two main types of habitats: terrestrial habitats and aquatic habitats. Terrestrial habitats are the one which found on land, and aquatic habitats are the one which found in water. Now it's clear? As we discussed earlier, in order to survive or in order to live in a particular place or a particular area, animals have a certain body coverings. Clear? So these body coverings include scales, shell, fur and feathers. Clear? Scales, shell, fur and feathers are some of the body coverings of animals. Now what about scales? If you have noticed certain animals like snakes, lizard, crocodile and very often fishes, what can you see them in common? We can see scales are present on their bodies. Clear? We can see scales present on their bodies. And what is the use of this scale? These scales prevent water loss from their bodies. So these scales prevent water loss from their bodies. Clear? And the next one is shell. Next one is shell. Certain animals like a snail, tortoise, turtle have a hard or a rigid outer covering which is called a shell. So this shell protects the snail or that animal from danger. So they can take their head and feet into this shell when they senses danger. Clear? When these animals or animals like a snail, turtle or tortoise, when they senses danger, they can withdraw their head and feet into this hard outer covering which is called a shell. Next one is fur. Fur. Have you seen bear or a sheep? What do they have in common? They have fur present on their bodies which protects them from cold and rain. So this fur which is present in a sheep or a bear that protects them from cold and rain. Clear? And the last one is feathers. Feathers. We know that birds have feathers. So these feathers make their bodies light and helps them to fly high in the air and also prevents this bird from cold. Clear? What is the use of feathers in birds? These feathers makes their bodies light and helps them to fly high in the air. Clear? And also prevents from cold.